Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Spider-Man in his awesome looking stealth suit. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and for this Spider-Man we're going to draw in the full head shape first. So we're going to start on the side here. This is going to be the side of his head. Just draw like a little bracket like this, just 2 lines. And then once you have that, this is going to be the jawline. We're going to come down from each side. And then we'll close it off with a chin. Alright, and then from here we can fill in the top of the head. So we're just going to curve up. And then the middle we'll just close it off. Alright, so then once we have this, we can draw in the eye mask area. So just kind of come right in the middle of this whole head shape. You can make a little dot. And then from the middle, I'm going to draw one curve, kind of going down and out. So same thing here, down and then just go out toward the face. Okay, so that's going to be the bottom of the eye mask. And then for the top, we're going to curve up. And then just stop short a little bit, add in a little bit of a hook there. So we're going to curve up. A little bit of an angle. Okay, and I hope you guys got it close, and I know it's very hard. The Spider-Man mask is a very hard shape to draw. So once we have this, now we can draw on the inside, which is going to be a lot easier. Curve, and then we just kind of follow the bottom, just kind of go around. So same thing here, just come across, go up, and just curve all the way around. And then from here we can add in the little straps and things in the middle. Right in the middle we can draw one line first, and then we'll turn that into a rectangle. And then from this 2 line, we just go straight up. And then lastly, one more little detail, just from this corner here, just draw a little bit of curve going into face mask. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on down to his neck. So his neck, just on the side here, just draw 2 straight lines. And then for his collar, we're going to slant it in. It's actually going to be part of his, I guess, little vest that he's wearing. Straight across, close that off. And then for his shoulders, we're just going to slant out, down. And then we're going to draw in the side of the body. Let's go all the way down to his waist. Close it off. And let's just add in one section for his belt. Just one rectangle, and then in the middle, let's go ahead and put a belt buckle. And there's some details here, so I'm just gonna draw in like 2 lines on the side. And it's got a little pouch, so we're just gonna might as well just finish this area right here. Just gonna come out with a little bit of rectangle. Okay, and then for his vest, we can add in some details now. So right on the corner here, just slant out. And then the strap's gonna be here, so it's gonna be the same as this line. And we can add a little bit of buckle detail here. Just 2 lines. Alright, so let's draw it in the arms first before we add in the details here. So coming down right here, it's going to be his armpit. So shoulders coming down. Biceps start here. Bracket. Then for his lower arm, we got flare out. This side's going to curve down, and this one's almost straight down. We'll just close that off. And we can add in a little bit of detail here. Just one little line to separate that out. And then for his fists, come in with a little hook. Back of the fist. Alright, and then same thing on the other side. So come across. Here's your armpit. Shoulders coming down. Biceps here, bracket, bracket. Just lower arm, go out. Turn it in. Straight down and then close it off. Again, same detail. His fist. Little hook, back of the fist. Same thing here, just turn, close it. Alright, so now let's add in some cool details on his little uniform here. So let's just start back on the top here. Right here, I'm just going to add a little bit of a rectangle. And it's got a bunch of little lines in there, so I'm going to add in, I'll just add in 3, but you can add in more if you have room. Okay, and then right here in the middle, we can add in 1 center line. And then right around the armpit area, just come across. And then slant down on each side. And then come straight down into the belt. And then I'm just gonna add 1 strap here. I know he's got a bunch of little straps here, but we'd have to simplify it. And then lastly right here, just a little circle detail. And on his arm, we're gonna come out right in the middle here. Just come down and go out. I'm gonna add in 1 little line here. It's got a lot of little patches and stuff, so. And 1 line across. And then lastly right here, start on the elbow, just draw 1 line coming across. Same thing here. Alright, so now we can move down to his legs. So his legs are pretty simple. Right in the middle. And then back to the middle again. I'm going to draw 1 more little curve. Starting here in the hip. Just come down and a little bit of a hook. Back to the middle. Down. Same thing, a little hook going out. And then for this one, we can close it off because it's got some knee pads. And then for his knee, actual knee pad right here, just add a little bit of a little bracket like that coming in. Right, so same thing on the other side. Here's the hip coming down. Use the other side for reference. Back to the middle, come over a little bit. Close it. And then same thing here for the knee, the bracket. And let's finish up the lower legs before we add in the details. So the lower legs are easy, just come up, just add, flare out. Slight curve, and this one is almost straight down. Close it, and then dome shape coming down. Come on more on this side. Close it, I'm just gonna add in 1 little section. Same thing on the other side, flare out. This one's gonna curve. This one's almost straight. Close, and same thing here, dome shape. Just come out more on the outside here, the side. Close it. Alright, and then for the details here, it's really simple. Just start out right on the side. Just come in. And then once you have that, from this corner, just slant down. And then on the side here, it's got a little bit, looks like pockets or some kind of padding. So I'm just gonna draw 2 lines like this and then just go out toward the side. And that is it for this awesome looking stealth suit Spider-Man. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.